you guys when we go to brunch. They cut the beef's heart out. To put a mirror, but it's okay. Batch that ass up. Hey, illegal immigrant right here. Come get her. Press. Good morning, guys. We ain't on the way yet. I'm late as fuck. I was supposed to be at my sister's house at 8. I know she's pissed because my phone was dead and I literally woke up at 8. Like, I woke up, looked at the time, and it was 8 on the fucking dot. Like, I know you lying. But yeah, I barely even got to do the bangs. We gonna get it together, okay? But anyway, yeah, as I just told y'all, we're going to Miami. And I don't stay too far from Miami. Well, a couple hours. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to my sister's crib or when we on the road. Don't mind all the towels in the back because I just washed them and I didn't have time to bring myself. But sexy and sane, it might ruin your life. You know it. Miami, we is on the way. Y'all, we stopped to get coffee. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we on the road. Yeah, I give the food a 4 out of 10. It's an artery.
Right by the firefighters.
I'm not. I'm gonna try to.
I can tell you.
Say hi.
But it's like sausage texture.
Hey, illegal immigrant right here. Come get her. All right, guys, we got to the house. We've been decorating, so I haven't had time to vlog, but hold on, let me turn the camera. Got the gift bags. You know, y'all should have put a mirror, but it's okay. Batch that ass up. I'll give y'all a quick little house tour. We got a little pool. That's just a side entrance, a little gate. A hot tub, a grill and shit, and then you walk through here. You got that a kitchen, laundry room. Oh my God. Fridge stocked, okay? Yeah, I don't know who drinking that beer, but they Mexican over here. We got no more locked doors. I don't know what's in there. This is Shakayla's room. I got a little bathroom. I'm not gonna show everybody else's room, but I do have a little side entrance to the backyard. Yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all everybody's room though. I do want to show y'all one room. This is a front room. Nice. This is what I want to show y'all. Why they got 2 showers? They got that shower and then this personal shower, and you ain't got no curtain, nothing. But it's nice. It was a big mirror right here, but they stole it and took it upstairs. I'm out here in Miami. Looking for the hoochie daddy. First shot of the weekend. Cheers.
After this, everybody else.
The table looks crazy, but. Let me see.
Yeah, he told me when we go to the club.
We finna go to this gay shit and.
Don't say that, you're gonna get canceled.
Oh my god. I already done got
Just
no
kidding,
motherfucking
she's an
subscribers.
ally. She's an ally.
I ain't got no subscribers, man. We finna go watch to a drag brunch though. Catch you guys when we go to brunch. Iowa.
Because the view, there was nothing like big. They were all tiny.
Yeah, I know. But if you go to Des Moines,
Dishes like corn based.
don't be a dry hoe. Be a greasy bitch. We're about to go pole dancing. A little class. Bow, 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 bow. We're going to the club. Fucking faded. Do I give a fuck? No, because I'm having a good time regardless. Period. And is.
Broker price, maybe 85.
Okay, I look tired. I look gross. After tubing, I went to take a nap. We had to be at tubing at 9:30. We just woke up. It's like 4 o'clock. It's our last night here. So, you know.
Like I said not yet because you never know what may happen.
We never know. You never
Correct.
know.
Excuse the room, but this is the bed. We're gonna go out for our last night in Miami. I'll see y'all outside.
Fair enough.